Hi everybody, welcome to today's video.
Because, okay, this house behind us has really fancy lights. How
Actually, two of them have really fancy, or fancier than what's on my house.
how can you be sure that you're not damaging your house when you put up Christmas lights?
Actually, a lot of people do damage their house when they put up Christmas lights because they use a staple gun. And when they do that, they're stapling the lights directly to, well, like a front porch post or the wood trim around a garage door. And when you use a staple gun, obviously the two little prongs on that staple are getting driven through the paint and actually into the wood underneath of it. When you go to take the Christmas lights down, you pull out the staple and that leaves two little holes right through the paint that are immediately going to let water get to that wood behind it. It's even worse in a little bit newer neighborhood like this because most of the trim on these houses isn't actually even solid wood. It's oriented strand board, so it's wood chips and glue, and it deteriorates even faster than a solid wood would. So you want to make sure that when you are putting up Christmas lights or decorations, you're not actually stapling into anything. So the two houses behind us actually look like they've done it the right way. They use the little plastic clips on their gutters and actually on the edge of the roof to install the Christmas lights. So those are removable, they don't damage the surface underneath of it. Obviously you want to be careful if you're shoving them up underneath the roof, that you're careful about how you do that and you're not disturbing the shingles, but it's a much better way to install those Christmas lights. One of the other ways that I've heard about is actually if you're trying to go up like a brick column, like what's behind us here, use a little dab of hot glue to actually attach that little plastic light mount to the brick or the faux stone or whatever it is. And then when Christmas is over, that hot glue will actually just peel right away from that masonry without damaging it. So those are some of the things you can do to not damage your house putting up Christmas lights. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.